Welcome back, friends, to another update. Today is 13th March 2026, and there was a slight rainfall this morning in Pynursla village. Because of the rain, I decided to leave as early as possible since there might be a chance of a landslide on the stretch near Maulia village. As you all know, when it rains in this area, the roads can become risky, especially around the hillsides. The rain started early in the morning, so I didn't want to take any chances and started my journey early. Luckily, I was able to pass through and safely cross Maulia village without any problems. I feel really fortunate today because landslides can happen anytime when the rain continues. Unfortunately, I later learned that a landslide occurred at the construction site in Maulia village at the stretch of Package 2. Because of this, some vehicles may face delays or traffic congestion in that area. So if you are planning to travel on this route, please be careful and stay updated about the road conditions. Stay alert and drive safely, everyone. If you are traveling through the hilly roads of Shillong, Pynursla, take care and have a safe journey.